Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can create custom data validation in Excel. So in our previous video, we saw how we can create data validation in Excel, but these are with predefined lists of validations. So there may be a situation where you want to customize the validation that you need, and you now have to create a custom data validation for your analysis. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So here I am currently in my home tab, and for me to perform data validation, I will need to come to my data tab. So if I click on data tab, I will now click on this data tools. So under these data tools, I have the data validation. So I will select data validation here. I select data validation. Here you can see the predefined validations that are allowed. Okay, but these are not what I want to do, so I will just click on custom. So when I click on custom, let me uncheck this. Then the formula that I need is first to create a formula that will allow only numbers. That's what I want to demonstrate in this video. Then after demonstrating that, I will demonstrate the formula that will allow only text. And after demonstrating that, I will show you how you can extend your cells that include the data validation. So let's see how we can do all this. So first, which is to ensure the only numbers that are accepted are numbers, will involve us using the formula is number. So I enter is number, and then A1, close it, and OK. So if I come to my A1 and I enter 2, is accepted. If I enter 10, is accepted. If I enter back, for example, it's being rejected because it's not a number. Now, this is just in terms of its number. We can try its text to ensure that only text is being accepted. If I go back to my data validation, then clear this number, so that instead of number, I have text, and OK. If I come here and I enter 10 again, you see it's been rejected. If I enter back, it is accepted, and so on. So this be A2. If I decide I want to also try A2, I try to see it going, just like the text. But now I've decided I want the whole of A1 to A10 to contain the same validation that I have. Okay. So how do I do this? I will just select this very part that I want, then come to this data tool and select data validation. So once I click on data validation, it will tell me that the selection contains some cells without data validation settings. So what I will just select here is yes. Once I click on yes, it will apply everything to those cells. So I will click on OK. Now, if I type 2 here now, you see it's not been accepted. If I type 4 here, it's not been accepted. Okay, but if I type bag, which is a text, you see it goes. If I still come to 8, for example, and I type 20, it's not been accepted. If I type when, which is a text, you see it's been accepted. And that's just what I wanted to demonstrate in this video, showing you how you can be able to create custom data validation in Excel. So I hope you were able to find this video helpful. Please, if you were, kindly like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.